Hi, I'm Heather. Welcome to The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to the exclusive community of Bay Point. Let's check it out. Welcome to this beautiful home, as you can see, with all of this expansive living space. You've got 22-foot ceilings, tile throughout, and so much space for entertaining. Welcome to your new kitchen. Check this out. Like I said, this is a home for entertaining. You've got your island, a wine cooler, enough stovetop for all your friends. And let me tell you, in this neighborhood, this block, they enjoy entertaining and having fun with each other. So this precious 4-bed, 2-bath home plus an office boasts this expansive main suite, and it's on the bottom floor. You don't have to worry about stairs or anything. Let's check out the ensuite. You've got to take a look at this shower. It's amazing. It's perfect for two. So here we are on the upstairs balcony. You can overlook exactly what's going on. Upstairs, you're going to find 3 of the other bedrooms, as well as a full bath with double sinks, so the whole family can get ready without being on top of each other. So see, this house has all the entertainment space that you need, indoors and outdoors. Dining, bar seating, the huge living room, and now you have the Florida living style out here with a pool, an outdoor kitchen, and everything you need for entertaining. If you would like more information, look in the description below. Check out the listing for all those extra details of this amazing property. And don't forget, click on thebeachshow.com. Subscribe by ringing that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Bye for now.